Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming files and selecting the replacement voice. Open your video editor and import the original video and any isolated audio. This makes syncing easier. Once done, pick the voice source, TTS for consistency, an actor for nuance, or your own recording for control, and note sample rate and tone. Make sure to create a new track named VO Replace and set it to the same frame rate so timing stays intact. Now record or generate the new voiceover while watching the video to match pacing. If you record, use a pop filter, maintain consistent mic distance, and clap once to create a visual/audio sync point. If you generate TTS, choose the closest prosody and export high-quality WAV. Once you have takes, trim breaths, normalize levels, and group the best clips. Make sure to keep alternate takes in a separate folder for quick finish by placing the clean voice clips onto the timeline and aligning them to visual cues and waveforms for lip sync and timing. Apply subtle EQ to remove muddiness, gentle compression for steady dynamics, and fade automation to avoid pops. Once balanced, export the final mix and save separate stems. If sync drifts or audio sounds odd, retime clips with markers, or re-record the smallest problematic segment rather than redoing everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.